Make some music. Hit this. Hit this. Is that fun?
That one.
Show us the sticks. Look, show me the sticks you got.
Ticks.
Wow, that was a big one and it broke, huh?
Yeah, broke.
But Mommy's gonna tape it together, huh? Right?
Yeah.
You wanna hit it some more? Wanna hit the fence some more?
Yeah. There's some more.
Hit this one.
Hit the one.
Okay, you can hit that one. Go ahead. You actually hit it, baby. Are you gonna go pick up your ball? His ball is just right over there. Thank you. If you're done, put it in the stroller. Can you put it in the stroller, please? There you go. Good job. Oh yeah, and at the park, they have, I don't know if you can see, but they have two baby swings instead of a baby swing and an adult swing. So it's really weird.
That's really weird.
And he doesn't want to swing. I don't know why. You went down the big slide, huh? All by yourself, huh, baby? Nicholas, say, I went down the big slide.
Yeah.
All by yourself, 3 times, huh?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
It's that one.
Yeah, it's really fun, huh?
Sit the bunga.
Shoot the bunga?
Sit the bungas.
Yeah, you shoot the bad guys?
So the bad guys. And. I saw the bad guys. I saw the bad guys. I saw the bad guys. My toys that.
Yeah. Was that fun?
Hua. 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 Hoo. That's the ladder. Hua. It's fun. Let's shoot the bunga.
Yeah, shoot the bunga.
Let's shoot
Look at
the
your face. Look at
turtle.
your face.
So